Hi, this is Professor Nabozny, and this instructional video is continuing on with showing you the process of converting decimal numbers into binary numbers. We're using the full byte of 8 bits this time, and we're going to use a couple larger numbers for examples. So the first number we're going to start with is the decimal value of 33. So we're going to ask the same question like we did when we were only dealing with the 4-bit places. Is 128 less than or equal to 33? The answer is no, so we put a 0. Is 64 less than or equal to 33? Again, the answer is no, so we can put a 0 there. Is 32 less than or equal to 33? The answer is yes, so we put a 1 there. Subtract 32, and that gives us 1. Now we can kind of shortcut here because we can see that like 16, 8, 4, and 2 are all greater than 1. Since none of them are less than or equal to 1, we can put zeros in each one of those places. Finally, we get to 1, and we can see that 1 is less than or equal to 1. So we can put a 1 there, subtract 1, and we get 0. Then we can verify our math, and we can see that we've got 32 plus 1 equals 33. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 equals 33 in binary. Okay, so let's do a different number. So this time, okay, so now we'll do a different number. We're going to use 200. So we've got our decimal value of 200. And is 128 less than or equal to 200? The answer is yes. So we put a 1, subtract 128. And that's going to give us 72. And you'll get better at this with more practice. Yeah, I've been doing this for a while, so I can do the addition and subtraction in my head usually pretty accurately. But 200 minus 128 is 72. And so let me get to the next one. Is 64 less than or equal to 72? The answer is yes. So we put a 1, subtract 64, and that gives us 8. Is 32 less than or equal to 8? The answer is no, so we put a 0. Is 16 less than or equal to 8? No, so we put a 0. Is 8 less than or equal to 8? The answer is yes. Yes, we put a 1 there, subtract 8, and we get to 0. If we get to 0 at this point, there's nothing left to subtract, so we can put zeros in the remaining bit places. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 equals 200 in binary. And again, we can verify our math. We can check by going 128 plus 64 plus 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 8 is 20, 0, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, 0, 1, 200. So there you have it. That's how you can convert from decimal numbers into binary numbers. And now I'm going to pass out the practice worksheet so you can practice this process on your own.